Welcome to the episode number of 6 trending Amazon merch hollow niches. My name is Kayur and in this video I will gonna share 15 plus hollow in trending and broad niches ideas. Sorry for the late video. I was working on Q4 and I hope your Q4 go very well too. Let's get some sales. Niche number 1 is Cofy. Hollow and Cofy is one of the niches people love to wear daily lifestyle. Olin Cats niche is one of the trending niches. Check out some bestseller uploaded month or 2 months ago and getting 50 plus 100 plus sales. Create your unique design with copies. Niche number 2 is nurse. Halloween nurse is one of the broad niches with allowed sub niches, also with scalable designs. In Halloween, one spooky nurse, Boo Boo Crew, ER nurse, and many more are scalable design. If you are in higher tier, don't miss these scalable niches. Niche number 3 is teacher. With teacher Halloween niche, you can be funny and clever. You also can be target specific like kindergarten, first grade, second grade and all. Tree can teach one spooky teacher, trade student with pumpkin and ghost with books. Be creative and teacher square is one of the best sub niches to get multiple order for matching t-shirts. Niche number 4 is Correct Bow Halloween t-shirt. This bow is new trending 2024 Halloween niche where you can create any design with just adding bow in any type of niche. Simple and easy design can take you out from lower tier and competition is very low right now and BSR is going low and low. Niche number 5 Social Club Halloween t-shirt. Social Club is also one of the new trend with one graphics and text based design. Also its group shirts can give you some good sales. It's really fresh and brand new. I wanted to give you some quick sort out and let you know about it if you want to try and get some sales. Niche number 6 is Olin Cats. This niche is one of the popular niche during the month of Halloween. So specifically if you in lower tier on Amazon, this might be the way to get out of this tier if you have a right design. Halloween Cats with skeleton, pumpkin and witch. Retro design is popular during Halloween. Come up with some new design with AI that will give you some sales rather than just copying other design. Niche number 7 is Momster Halloween. This is one of the sub niche of Halloween for moms. People really like to give gifts to moms and BSR is going very low and low. So definitely sales volume is here. Also you can create the dead star. Niche number 8 is breast cancer awareness. This is one of the big niche in October. Check out the BSR is very low. Some top seller is under 100k and it's uploaded in August. So it's not that you can't get some sales. Go deeper and find some trending design style that can give you some sales and cross niche with this one of the niches. You can definitely get some sales. Niche number 9 is family matching Halloween. Family matching Halloween shirt is great way to increase your sales in one time. Try to come up with some funny phrases that people wanna wear on Halloween. Niche number 10 it's kids Halloween t-shirt. It's very competitive niche, but if you find a cross niche or sub niche, there is always a possibility or opportunity to sell well. This is the one of the best selling niche with BSR under 100k. And check out the sales 200 plus sold, 100 plus sold and BSR is very low. So definitely sales volume is here too for kids niche. Niche number 11 is dogs Halloween t-shirt. People love their dogs. So you can create Halloween design with dogs and even if you can find a sub niche with specific dog breed, there is an amazing way to target for hollowing. So do think of different words and how to approach this different way rather than just copying what is already there. Niche number 12 is chicken farmer hollowing. Yes, this is the also new 2024 low competition niche for you guys. There is a lot chicken lover, also a farmer wanna get some chicken funny Halloween costume, or they wanna give someone funny costume. And competition is very low since this is the new trends. So if you in lower tier, this is your chance to get out. Loads of design are starting to drop and sells more. So create your new unique chicken with Halloween design style. Niche number 13 is pregnancy announcement mom. Yes, for new moms, it's perfect festival Halloween time to announcement pregnancy and give them surprise. And also people wanna give shirt to new mom that gonna be mom on this year. So try to create with pregnancy announcement and Halloween design. Also add this year. Go to ChatGPT or use AI to create some funny and mom's design. Get some new inspiration what is working from here and create your own style. Niche number 14 is human costume. This is definitely a simple design style that sells really well every time in Halloween. One of the best selling niches is costume. You can really get some creative here and cross niche with anything. Here are some good design like alien, potato, rubber duck, and this design sells really well entire year. So this is also a evergreen niches that gonna sell all years. Niche number 15 is witch or witches. This is very popular topic and design style that woman loves it. Woman loves it. If we can see, I am with witch matching husband wife style is also there. Not a lot of good design here. So there are some space for you to come up with some new ideas and new design and funny phrases. Try to use ChatGPT and come up with some new ideas. That's all niches I got for you today. So a lot ideas how to approach these niches, and I hope you enjoyed this to create some new Halloween designs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to check out upcoming new niches video about Thanksgiving and Christmas niches. Don't lose hope if you are not getting sales or you are in lower tier. Keep trying with new design and we gonna make it. I am here for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily new trending niches finds. I will gonna make videos more valuable day by day. Subscribe and we meet again.